Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to reset the service light on a Fiat 500L. To begin, make sure your vehicle's engine is completely off and the key is in the ignition. It is crucial that you do not start the engine at this stage. This initial setup ensures the system is ready for the reset procedure, allowing you to proceed with the next steps smoothly and effectively. Next, turn your ignition key to the MAR position. This is the accessory power setting just before the engine starts. Once in MAR, firmly press the accelerator pedal all the way down 3 separate times within 10 seconds. After the third press, release the pedal completely. This specific sequence signals the car's computer to begin the reset process. Now, turn the ignition completely off and remove the key from the ignition barrel. It's important to give the system a moment to process the command. Wait for about 60 seconds before proceeding to the final step. This brief pause allows the vehicle's electronic control unit to register the service light reset, ensuring the procedure is successful. Finally, reinsert your key and turn the ignition back to the MAR position, or start the engine if you prefer. The service light should now be off, indicating a successful reset. If it remains on, repeat the steps carefully. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.